hydro test. So we'll remove it. And no hydro test.
Keep it. No, you can mention hydro test activities not envisaged. Only tubing for pipe tubing. Only package.
Yes. Okay. So let us keep it, and if required, otherwise, this is standard approach. We need to have all the controls for the hydro testing, hydro testing if required.
You can delete those things, right? Now you can mark it and.
Okay. Okay.
Okay.
No relation. Okay. Air pressure, probably you are going to use the compressed air during construction. So we have the standard approach and standard safeguards during construction. This will be reviewed in EPC phase also. Hyperbaric, no decompression, no oil hydrocarbon gas. We are saying refer 1.6 for the gas, if something. Work at height is not there because this is on ground. This is not elevated. This is the ground. The existing platform is not there. We remove it. Overhead equipment, no. Under equipment, no. On land, this is for construction. So this is standard approach, and we are having the standard threats and top events and damages. These are the standard control measures. For night driving, you are going to allow night driving, yes or no? We will remove it.
Keep it. Night driving is sometimes they will do it.
Oh, okay, so let us keep it. Periodic maintenance and restricted this one, and we have got a standard mitigation, and this is standard. We say bridging document. So existing. Yeah, okay. So other than that, we are okay. This is a 4B. That is okay. On water, no. Air, no. Boat, no. Equipment, moving parts. So this is standard approach.